Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the eye tracking feature on the PlayStation VR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. Now we are in the settings for PSVR 2. From here, scroll down to the eye tracking feature. Here you can enable or disable the checkbox to turn eye tracking on and off. If you enable eye tracking, it would be a good idea to tap on the Adjust Eye Tracking and reconfigure it for your eyes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.